So here you can see all my trade for today, and I opened 3 long position actually on Nvidia, Tesla, and also Shopify, and I hit around 2,700 USD profit. So I just closed these 3 position, and let's see what happened to the market and what I did. So the first one, I just opened 1 position on long position on Nvidia, which is look to S&P actually. So they try to go up, and then I just opened 1 long position on Nvidia, and it was around 1,000 share on Nvidia and also in Tesla. So the first one, I opened 1 position on Tesla, and I just bought it, but the Tesla is coming down, and it go down around until 1,000 in the loss actually, but I just waited because S&P show us the market gonna go up, so that's why I just keep it, and I didn't came out from position. And I just after that I opened 1 long position also in Nvidia. So we just wait to here. So here I just opened 1,000 share on Nvidia, and I long it. So the Nvidia was very fast today, very fast, and I didn't know actually. So I could take more, but I didn't risk it, so I just came out from 1,000 profit. So now we can see the Tesla also in the loss around $1,000. So we just waited, and but Nvidia is going up, and the fastest and all this trade is took around 4-5 minutes maximum. And I just opened 1 Shopify, and you can see, and I open also 1,000 share long on Shopify, and I just leave it. So now we can see the market is coming back, and S&P shows us the market is going up, so that's why I just keep the position in Tesla. So in the right side we can see Nvidia is going up. That was very good day actually. So the Tesla is go up to 180 from 160 go to 180. That was around 10% up and positive in Tesla stock. So we just waited for Tesla, and here you can see Nvidia is going up, and also in the Shopify I just put my profit around $800. So here we can see that Nvidia is going, is very fast actually. So just here I just came out around 1,900, I think. I just came out from here. So now the Nvidia is done. Now we have Shopify and also Tesla. So the Tesla is here in the loss actually. So but I didn't know why Tesla is coming down. So look to S&P actually. S&P is going up, but the Tesla is coming down. But it's have a little delay actually between Tesla and S&P. But now we can see the Tesla is started going up actually, and the Shopify also going to the up. So look at here, Nvidia is also going to the top, but I just said it very earlier, and that's fine. And we have the Shopify is around 400 in profit, and now is Tesla start to go up. So I just decided to came out also from Tesla. It's around 900. So I just waited, and S&P is going also up. Always look at to S&P when you open one position. So here the Tesla is around 800, 900 in the profit, and I just waited. So look at here. The reason I came late to this option because I was also look at to another parameters also to analyze the market. So that's why I didn't see the market hit the around 1,000 share. So I just here open, you can see around 800, 900. I just close my position just right here. I just close it for 900, and we can also go up and see the Shopify around 600 and 800 in the profit. Just waited, and yeah. So here I just closed also Shopify and Tesla, and today the profit was all about around 2,700 USD. but it was very also risky. Actually, the Tesla is going down until 1,000 share in the last. So, but finally, but when I look at S&P, I can see the market is going up. So that's why I just keep that risk and finally give the result around $1,000. So that was all, guys, and thank you for watching. And remember also, if you want to use the this platform for trade, so you can crypto and forex and also stock, so you can use all these three market in one platform, and it's called ColmexPro, which I put the link in the description, and then you can use it. That was all, guys. Thank you for watching, and also have a nice day.